Hey guys, Toilets Rock here, and today I'll be flushing my 2017 Kohler Wellworth Class 5 toilet. So I got this toilet from Facebook Marketplace today, and it was actually for free. So the date is not on the tank. That's not the proper date. I found it on this toilet, and I found it underneath the siphon jet channel, but I'm gonna give this toilet a flush, and let's see how it flushes. Nothing really special, it's just a Kohler Wellworth Class 5. But now I will give it a side flush and I'll be back. The tank is now full, let's give it this side view flush. Now I'm gonna give it a right side flush view. Now I will give this toilet a close-up flush, and I'll be right back once the tank is full. The tank is now full, let's give it a flush. So yeah, that's all it for today's video. If you guys enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.